In this video, I'll be showing you how to use YouTube in incognito mode on your PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you want to open up YouTube. Obviously, you'll go to your browser of choice and you would, just type in YouTube right here and then just click on YouTube. This is going to bring you up on your home page. You're going to be signed in and everything, all of that stuff. But let's say you don't want anything to be tracked. You want to have it a completely fresh slate without you being signed in or anything like that. So all you really just want to do is on the top right, you're going to see these three little dots. Just click on that and you're going to see new incognito window right there. So just click on that, and then from here you can type in youtube.com, then just press accept all on the terms and cookies. And now it says try searching to get started. Start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos that you'll love. As you can see, there's no data attached to YouTube right now on incognito mode. And anytime you open up incognito mode, it's always going to show up like this because it doesn't save anything. So you can literally just search up whatever you want. You don't have to worry about signing in or anything like that. And anything you watch in incognito mode is not going to be saved because one, you're not signed in, and two, it's not going to be on your history since you are in incognito mode.